Hello guys, welcome to my channel FBqueen Home Decor. If you are new, do subscribe and hit the bell icon button. In my previous video, Modular Kitchen Design, I described a modular kitchen design that could be used for a wide variety of purpose. In this video, I am going to take a look of modular kitchen ideas or modern kitchen ideas. They are both powerful tools for managing you. So it's important to choose the right one for you. If you are looking for a modular kitchen design that's both powerful and affordable, then I recommend check out my channel. If you are looking for a simple yet stylish kitchen, you have come to the right place. A modular kitchen is a kitchen design that allows you to customize the layout of your home so that it's look and feel like a whole new home. It can be used for a variety of tasks, including cooking, cleaning, storage, and more. The most common use of modular kitchen is a place where you can store items that are used in a different ways. For example, if you have a lot of dishes that need washing or cleaning, you might want to store them in one area and then move them around until everything is clean and organized. Or if you use an island for eating or drinking, you might want to keep everything on the island in one spot and then move it around until everything is clean and organized. Another common use of a modular kitchen is an exercise space or workout room. You could put your exercise equipment on the ground or even build an exercise mat out of wood. Then you are done. With your workout, you can move it into the living room or bedroom where it will be safe from bugs and other unwelcome visitors. The main advantages of modular kitchen is that it allows for ease, access, and reusability. This allows for the use of different tools and equipments on the same pieces of equipment, which can make it easier to change things around. Another advantages is that it can be used as a base for other projects, such as laundry room or an office. Another major advantages of modular kitchen is that it can be used as a base for other projects, such as the laundry room or office. I'm here to tell you that modular kitchen design is the future. It is a system that you can use to create any kitchen you want. You can have a modular kitchen if you want, or you can use it as an example of how modern kitchen design is doing things. Either ways, it's a pretty damn impressive system. Hook up! I will just give you a quick overview of how modular kitchen design works. It's a system that you can use it. Let's go further. In this video, I am going to share my favorite modular kitchen ideas or the best modern kitchen design. I am doing this by asking each person their opinion and using my modular kitchen ideas as an example. So what's your favorite modular kitchen idea? Let me know in the comment. In this video, I will make your life easier. I am going to show you how to create modular kitchen that designs to look and feel like a real workspace. I am going to also show you how to make a modular kitchen that is easy to use and look fabulous. If you are looking for modular kitchen ideas or modern modular kitchen design, then you are in for a real treat. I've got you covered.